Scope. That's the discussion today. Scope. A lot of times when people buy software for their business, they're looking at performance, they're looking at deployment effort, they're looking at adoption from their people. What's the training effort, and is a tool they're really going to like to use and valuable to them? And they forget to look at scope. And that's really important because when you have products that can substitute for each other, where there's various choices that you have for this particular problem you want to solve, then you really need to look at the scope, because you might buy a product where all the companies say the same things, right? They have this functionality, they can deliver whatever you need, but they might only deliver it in a very small focused area of your workflow or whatever the problem is you're trying to solve. And another company might say the same exact words, but their scope is larger, so they can solve problems that are larger in scale. The same problem that you have, but maybe more. And so you want to make sure that you understand what you're getting into with the product that you have. And the only way to do that, beyond all those other characteristics of performance and everything else, is to understand the scope. So make sure you ask your vendors about how far reaching their product is, what's the boundaries and the limits of that tool, and buy the one that's right for you. You don't want to buy something that is too big or too small, or that it won't scale with you later. Sometimes companies buy something today, and then 2 years from now they need to buy more stuff, and if they would have bought the right product 2 years ago, then they would just add modules to it, or alter it, or it would grow with them to solve the additional problems. Now they have to go buy something else in addition to what they already bought. So don't forget about scope.